let me give you important point when you are going to read your first aid. Most of the time, guys, remember, first aid is like a sensitium, like a one unit. Okay, what is the most biggest mistake? Okay, students do during preparation of USMLE step one when they memorize read first aid. Okay, they compartmentalize their subject. Like when we are talking about immunology, they are just stick to immunology. Okay, when they are in system like in cardiovascular system, they are stick to that there. Okay, but USMLE is not like that. Okay, you have to mingle everything. You have to make a blend of first aid. For example, let me give you a you can say awesome example. So I am reading peptic ulcer disease in cardiovascular system. So in peptic ulcer disease, I know okay you will have hyperplasia of you can say Brunner gland. Okay, and in our stomach there are multiple protein excreted. Okay, then examiner will ask question in peptic ulcer disease which organelle is involved in hyperplasia of Brunner gland, or you can say which organelle is involved in that pathology. So answer will be your you can say rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is present in cell biology, but we are in you can say in we are studying pathology of gastrointestinal system. So this is the biggest mistake okay students make. They don't blend the first aid. Okay, when you are reading in system and you see some some link with biochemistry. Okay, connect that link with that. Okay, let me give you another example. Okay, let me give you another example. For example, okay, yeah, this is awesome example too. Another example. Okay, so we talk about okay in neurofibromatosis type one, you will talk about a calf a lot spot. Okay, that are spot. Okay, given in that is a characteristic of neurofibromatosis type one. Okay, and let me give you two other example of calf a lot spot. Okay, one is given in biochemistry that is McCune-Albright syndrome. Okay, in McCune-Albright syndrome, you will also have cafe a lot spot. And also one thing that is not given in you can say in first aid, that is the in Fanconi anemia you will also have cafe lot spot. Okay, so when you are going through first aid, blend the first aid as a unit, not divide the first aid. Okay, when you are in biochemistry, don't just be focused on just biochemistry. Try to connect the biochemistry with other system. Okay, so this is a way to read first aid. Okay, so now we'll come to our topic, our familiar dyslipidemia. Let's start. So how I teach first aid? Okay, first the most important point I will say, I say to every my student, you can read better than me. Okay, you can have better concept than me too. But how I teach first aid, it is like I teach first aid in an easy way with mnemonic. Okay, point number one, I teach first in the easy way with mnemonic, with a lot of examples. And second, the most important point is that, okay, most of the time we don't know how question will be asked from first aid. Okay, we can't connect U word and first aid. Okay, there is a you can say gap between U word and first aid. So here, okay, here I will try to connect these things. Okay, uh, I will tell you how question will be made from first aid. Okay, so let's start. So
Like, comment, and subscribe.